Hi, I'm John Espirian, and here's a quick screencast about screencasting. Let's start with a quick definition. A screencast is a video recording of a computer screen, usually created to instruct or inform an audience about a product or a service. Screencasts are often accompanied by an audio track. That's a voiceover like the one you're hearing now, but they tend not to include video of people talking directly to a camera. Screencasts require some planning and a fair bit of production time. It's common for it to take 1 or 2 hours to produce a single minute of usable video. Here's the process I use when creating screencasts for my blog and for my clients. First, we have to consider the topic. Is a screencast really necessary? Could we do the job just as well with text and screenshots? People don't want to read walls of text, but that doesn't mean a video is always the right answer. Assuming we're sure a screencast is necessary, the next step is to write a script. This will note the detailed steps that define the screencast, and will be used for recording the voiceover. The script needs to include some sort of intro and outro to top and tail the content. Next, we need to gather all the image assets that will be used in the screencast. Doing this can help to define the content of the video, and this gives us the chance to tweak the script to make it more relevant. We can then prepare the screen for recording by closing unnecessary windows and programs, changing the desktop background, and so on. Then we use screen recording software to capture the video of the screens we wish to include in the screencast. With the video done, we can then record the audio narration of our script. The video and audio can be captured at the same time, but for extra quality, I like to perform these tasks separately using dedicated software for each. We'll get onto what that software is in a moment. Once the audio has been captured, we can mix it in with the video, adding transitions and effects to liven up the presentation. Finally, we export, publish and share the content to the appropriate channels. Okay, that's the plan and the process. Now here's a quick look at the tools used to do the job. Unsurprisingly, we start with a desktop or laptop computer, along with any separate devices from which video needs to be recorded. We also need some screencasting software. The two big players in this market are Camtasia and ScreenFlow. These tools cost about the same, so you might want to take a free trial of each and see which suits you best. ScreenFlow looks a little more modern, but I'm more than happy sticking with Camtasia. We need some audio equipment to capture the voiceover, and I use a separate USB microphone to do that. The Blue Yeti is a great option, but there are lots of alternatives out there. The voiceover script needs to be stored somewhere easy to access. I use a plain text file, but others might prefer some newsreader style teleprompter software. I record my audio via Audio Hijack, which I use separately to Camtasia. But remember that Camtasia can record audio too, so this software isn't strictly necessary. I perform a bit of audio cleanup using Fission, but again this is optional, because Camtasia has features to do this sort of thing itself. The final mix is handled in Camtasia, and the exported results can then be shared via the usual video platforms. I used YouTube for a while, but I'm starting to switch to Vimeo. I think the interface and options are better, as is the lack of adverts. So that's it, a quick look at the process of screencasting and the tools used to do the job. If you think you could use a short video to help you with your business, get in touch and let's have a chat. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.